Hey there, food lovers! Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds and unlock the secrets to some of the world's most incredible recipes? I'm so excited to have you join me today as we explore the art of creating unforgettable dishes right in your very own kitchen. Ever wonder what makes some recipes so irresistible? What is that special something that elevates a dish from ordinary to extraordinary? What are the hidden techniques and flavor combinations that chefs around the globe use to create culinary masterpieces? You just have to try them. Those recipes that you crave, the ones that leave you wanting more, the dishes that create lasting memories? Well, today we are going to demystify those culinary wonders. Today, I'm bringing you a whirlwind tour of the world's most delicious dishes, a curated selection of culinary gems that span continents and cultures. We'll be diving into the heart of each recipe, uncovering the essential ingredients, the time-honored techniques, and the unique stories behind them. Recipes you can actually make at home, no fancy chef hat required. That's right, we're keeping it real and approachable. These recipes are designed for the everyday cook, using readily available ingredients and straightforward methods. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or a kitchen novice, you'll find something to inspire you. Let's kick things off with a classic Italian carbonara. This iconic pasta dish is a testament to the beauty of simplicity. It's rich, creamy, and utterly satisfying, and it comes together in minutes. You only need 5 simple ingredients: spaghetti, eggs, parmesan, pancetta, and a little cracked black pepper. That's it. No heavy cream, no garlic, just the pure, unadulterated flavors of Italy. No cream, no fuss, just pure Italian comfort. Carbonara is more than just a pasta dish, it's an experience. It's the taste of Roman trattorias, the warmth of family gatherings, and the joy of simple, delicious food. Cook your pasta, crisp up that pancetta, and toss it all together with silky eggs and cheese. The key is to work quickly, using the heat of the pasta to gently cook the eggs and create that luscious, creamy sauce. The sauce practically makes itself. With a little practice, you'll be whipping up perfect carbonara every time. Next up, let's head to Thailand for pad thai. This globally loved dish is a symphony of flavors and textures, a true celebration of Thai cuisine. Rice noodles, shrimp or tofu, tamarind paste, fish sauce, eggs and crunchy peanuts. These are the building blocks of an unforgettable pad thai experience. The secret is in the sauce, sweet, salty, tangy all at once. The perfect balance of these flavors is what makes pad thai so addictive. Sauté, toss and finish with a squeeze of lime. That final touch of acidity brightens all the flavors and elevates the dish to a whole new level. Trust me, this one's a crowd pleaser. Whether you're serving it at a dinner party or enjoying it as a quick weeknight meal, pad thai is always a hit. Craving something cozy? French onion soup is pure magic. This classic French soup is the ultimate comfort food, perfect for a chilly evening or anytime you need a warm hug in a bowl. All you need is onions, butter, beef broth, crusty bread, and melty Gruyere cheese. These simple ingredients combine to create a symphony of flavors that will warm you from the inside out. Slow-cooked onions give that rich, deep flavor and that cheesy toast on top. It's the perfect finishing touch, adding a delightful crunch and a burst of cheesy goodness to every spoonful. Perfection! French onion soup is a testament to the power of simple ingredients and slow cooking. It's a dish that will impress your friends and family, and it's surprisingly easy to make at home. And finally, let's finish with a sweet treat from Japan, mochi. These delightful little rice cakes are a beloved Japanese confection, known for their unique texture and endless flavor possibilities. Chewy, soft, and surprisingly easy. Mochi is a fun and rewarding treat to make at home, and it's a great way to explore Japanese culture. Just rice flour, sugar, water, and your favorite filling. Red bean, chocolate, you name it. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and experiment with different fillings to find your perfect mochi flavor. Microwave, knead and shape. With a little patience and practice, you'll be a mochi master in no time. You'll want to make a whole batch. Mochi is best enjoyed fresh, so gather your friends and family and share the deliciousness. So there you have it. 4 amazing recipes, each with its own flavor story, just waiting for you to try. I hope this culinary journey has inspired you to get creative in the kitchen and explore the wonderful world of flavors. Grab those ingredients and let's get cooking. Remember, cooking is all about experimentation and having fun. Don't be afraid to try new things, to adjust recipes to your own taste, and to share your creations with the people you love. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious adventures. We have so many more exciting recipes and culinary explorations planned for you. So hit that subscribe button and join our community of food lovers. Until next time, happy cooking.